Hey everyone, welcome to Birds of a Feather. Today I've got a new and improved way to cut cans. If you're stumped by the best way to break them down, stay tuned. So this is what we're starting with. We've made this tool out of 2 blocks of wood. I've got an indent here so that I can hold it. This part is sharp. I've taped a blade and then screwed down this top part to hold it really well. As you can see, it's sticking out. And then right here we have a template, a circle template, and this particular circle here is 2 1/4 inches. And that matches the diameter of the rim of the can. So what we're going to do first is we're going to score down the side, and you're going to look for the place where, you don't want to cut into the part that has the color, you want to cut into the part that's waste. So we're just going to score a line right down the side. Now we can set that aside for the moment. We're going to turn this upside down into our circle here. Then we're going to look for the waste part at the side that we really don't care about. And we're going to bring this up against the side of the can so that the sharp tip is leaning into it. Now we're going to hold it and we're just going to spin. And the great thing about this cutout is that it holds it so that you're going to be cutting at the exact same level. So you're just going to spin it around. And what we're going to do when we're back to the start again is we're going to go past where we started scoring, so you want to score it twice. Now we're going to take our blade again and we're just going to rock it to get it started. And you just want to be able to cut right through. There you go. Now that you've got the start, you're just going to take your thumb, and I'm wearing gloves here, and this is really important because this tin can be really sharp. You're just going to sort of run your thumb until it breaks. Now you're going to go in the other direction, and you're just going to put pressure along the score and just run your thumb along. Now we're back to the beginning, and we're just going to remove that. We're going to recycle this piece. And we're going to bend the score along the side. We're going to crease it. And then run that score right along to the bottom and just pop it open, like so. Now you can take your scissors and get right in there at the bottom. And we're just going to cut right along the bottom here. Now again, that part is going to be waste. We're going to recycle it. And now we're going to flatten our piece. So I'm going to take the piece to the edge of the table here, and I've got a rubberized glove. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press down, and I'm going to rub it along the edge of the table a couple of times, and then turn that around. You're just going to keep doing it until it's perfectly flat. And there you go. You've got a nice even edge, no catches on the top. The bottom's been cut. And you can use it in many, many projects. I'm going to link to a few projects that I've done with tin cans so that you can see what's possible. Interested in more upcycle DIYs? Check out one of these unique projects.